Alright guys, there's this big storm going on right now, and we're going to show you it. Can't really see too well, but it is going. And there is lightning just flashing every second, hey? Holy, that was a big one. Okay, my friend Blaine and I, we're going to go run outside on this thing, okay? See, look. Here, see, it's just lightning flashing all the time. And it is insane. Wait.
Insanity! Insanity!
Blaine went outside.
Insanity! Insanity!
Oh my God! This is insane! It's so cold. Oh my God!
Oh my God, dude, this is nice.
Holy crap!
Dude, actually, come sit up here. It's very nice. Dude, keep the video camera in.
Alright, this is really insane. It's intense. Whoa, that was a good one. Alright, and that's our video.